This 2017 Dutchmen Coleman Light 2305QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, LP detector, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, oven, skylight, water heater, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Dutchmen Coleman Light 2305QB is 4,902 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.